Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to be boiling down the urea and water mix that we got over a week ago. So basically I have all the liquid in this and just boiling it down slowly. So, yeah. It is boiling away very slowly. Alright, so I have most of the water boiled off now. And right now it's on the radiator to finish it up. And then quickly I'll do a part 2 and show the final product. But I just, I don't want to mess it up. I think I already have. But, whatever. I think the slow heat of a radiator would be good.